Good day everyone. Learn how to fix snipping tool not working in Windows 11. So if you have tried few steps, this tutorial will be very helpful because we are going to fix it by step process, and there are only 2 steps to fix this problem. So the very first thing here is to do the right click. And you can also try, before doing any troubleshooting, I would recommend to press Windows key on a keyboard, Shift key and S together. Windows key, Shift key and S. This will open up the snipping tool and you can select and do whatever you would like to. If you're unable to do so, do a right click in the start icon, go to settings and then go to apps. And here I'll go to installed apps. And in the search apps, just type snip and you will find snipping tool, Microsoft Corporation. Now click on the 3 dots next to it and then go to advanced option, then scroll down and from here repair it and then reset it. Once you're done, close this and see if your snipping tool is working fine or not. You can search snip and see if that works for you. For me, it is working. And for you, if it's not working, I would recommend to open the Microsoft Store and from here I'll type snipping tool, and from here you can simply uninstall it first. How you can uninstall it? By just doing a right click, go to settings, apps, installed apps, search snip and you will find snipping tool. Click on the 3 dots, go to advanced option, scroll down, uninstall. Once you uninstall it, this will be removed and then you can simply come back here and try to install it. So I'll open the Microsoft Store and I'll search snipping tool and I'll click on snipping tool and now it says get Microsoft Corporation 8,000 ratings. I'll click on tool and in this manner you will be freshly installing snipping tool and see if that works for you. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not, and please hit the like and subscribe and see if it's working now. It is installed, and do let me know in the comment section whether this fixes your issue or not. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.